Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can resize a video in Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find the home section, rent kits, templates, and here you're gonna find all of the folders. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new video, and here you can create a video with AI. So I'm going to click on create a new video, and then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. Here you're going to find all of the options and all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. Right here, you're gonna find import media. So you can click on import media if you want to add a video. So then I'm gonna click on this video, for example, click on open. And then as you can see, guys, I added the video. If you want to add it to the timeline, just click on this plus icon or you can drag it like this. And then once you add your video, if you want to change the size of it, you can just select the video and then just go to the corners like this. Then you can make the video smaller. As you can see, guys, you can also crop it from here. You can crop the video to any size that you want. And then once you finish, you can click on done right here. And right now I'm going to click on fit. You can also change the size from here. For example, I'm going to make it square. And then once you finish, you can just click on export and then export it in any quality that you want. Once you click on export, the video will be downloaded on your computer. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.